Hi Tori, this is Darren. Just want to go over your website here and cover a few things, compare you to your competitor and see what you can do to beat them out. So this is your website here. Obviously it looks fairly nice. You have some content going on through here. Call to action here is very important. So content is definitely important because you want to have enough of it to where you can plug in some organic keywords, which is what drives clients to your website. So you have a little bit of content throughout here, but more content would definitely be important. And I'll go over keywords here in just a few minutes. Here's your competitor, Gyron Roofing. So they have a little bit of content right here, and then here, and here. Anything that is written in their website is considered content, and this is another way that you can kind of hide content throughout your website, so that it doesn't look like you have a really long page drawn out, and then you can plug keywords into there as well. So let's look into your back side of your page here. We use Ahrefs as our tool to see what's going on in the background. This is your ratio here of trust and power. You have 139 backlinks, 42 referring domains, and these are kind of power and trust coming from other websites that point back to your website. So that's how you get this ratio. And you have 208 organic keywords, and off of that you have 45 people visiting your website every month, and that's generating about 438 traffic value. So if we go into the organic keywords here, like Raindrop roofing, if somebody types that into Google, your position for that is 1, and there's about 70 people searching for that one keyword every month. So the ideal situation would be for you to have roofing Portland, Oregon, which is getting about 200 volume, 200 people searching per month, into that #1 position, and any other keywords that are getting fairly high volume, as high positioned as possible. That's what generates more people to your website, which in turn turns into traffic value, and that's what you're ultimately shooting for, to get more customers. So let's take a look at your competitors' backside here. Again, we plug them into Ahrefs. They have a trust of 33 and a power of 14. They have 1,000 backlinks and 143 referring domains, so that's how they're having so much trust and power. Ideally, like a 1-to-1 ratio here is what you're looking for, but that all just depends on what kind of backlinks you have and whatnot, and that's a little more complicated. They have 644 organic keywords, so there's 644 different ways that people can find their website, and off of that it's generating about 1.8 thousand organic traffic, 1,800 people seeing their website every single month. That's generating 27,000 traffic value. So the more organic keywords you can be ranking for, the better, right? That's pretty much all I wanted to touch base on here. If you have any other questions or anything, feel free to reach back out to me. I definitely look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.